Hello, my people. How you people doing? From Untouchable Mama, I greet everybody. My brothers, my sister, get wetin carry me come here o. This video wey I go show una, una still watch am o, una still leave una opinion. This one na my opinion o. As me watch the video, this video wey I wan show so, e get one black car. So the black car, e come stop. As e stop, e come push one girl come out for that car, this big car, this jeep. E come push am. As e push am comot for inside that car, so the girl come be like say, come dey kolo, come be like person wey dey kolo. And camera come dey, e get where na camera, the camera wey video am. As we take dey see the video, na make me dey talk so. Because wetin me dey think, me dey think about say na film o, me I no know, na my own me I dey talk. Because as I see the video, I say if na film good, but if not be film, but na real thing wey dey happen. Una know say sometimes we will see some people they'll do video, they'll say we just see this girl now, they just push am come, they just one car just drop am or push am come out for inside car, e just start to dey kolo. Mona be careful. E be like something like that. But as me take see this video, me I feel say na film. Una understand? Me I feel say na film. Because why camera go dey there that moment wey that car just stop, push that girl come down for car, and the girl start to dey shout. And when they shout, be like say na 2 or 3 person na go near the girl. For me I believe say dem dey do film for there. You understand? But if na film, okay. But if no be film, abeg una be careful. Because na really wetin dey happen, wey we dey hear say this person e dey normal before, as this yahoo people just carry am, na the girl start to dey kolo for there. We no know wetin happen to am, wetin dey do am. So that is wetin really dey happen. But for me, this video wey I wan show una so, I no talk say e happen o. But as me take look am, I say me I still share am with una. Una will still see the video. You fit still leave your opinion. Because if you watch am well, you go know say there is something there. Because the person wey dey film, e dey for upstairs, and e just come focus on that road where that car dey pass. Na make me talk say na film. No be say I dey there. As me take imagine and say, okay, this one fit be film. Maybe dem wan use am take do film. But take tell people say really e dey happen. When dem dey, all these yahoo people, when dem just throw away open door, dem just push the person come out. Then after that person no know wetin dey go on again, go just start to dey kolo. So I just see am now say, okay, me I not too much believe say na real. But me I still share am with my people. Maybe some people go still talk say na real. I don't first see am na true. Person wey e really happen to, or something like that. But as for me, as me take watch, as I take see am, me see am say na film na dem dey do for them. But if not be film, my brothers and sisters, una be careful. All these our people wey dey home. Because you just see small pikin, e no get anything. Under a month, you just see am with big car. You no know where e for see the money. Only God know. We leave that one for God. We no fit judge anybody. But the one wey dey pay person pass, now these people wey dem dey use take dey kolo, dem come dey kolo best innocent people. So na be that one. So may I show na the video. Una still watch am. Thank you for listening to me, for being there. God bless you. Please ask me to share and like. If you not still like the video, no problem. If you put dislike, no problem. If you like and still put like, please better help me to share am. Thank you for being there. Bye bye. One love. May I show una. me still show it again. So my people, this one na be the video. Wetin make me think say dem dey film, dem dey do film, you understand? As the girl shout, dey shout like that, 2 or 3 person go run go meet am. Person wey you no know, e get as e be na, to run go meet am, you no know whether e really dey kolo. Na understand na na im make me, na this side of the video na im make me think say dem dey do film. Plus that person wey just film where that car wan pass, you understand? Because na im make me think about this one, because for me, na my opinion be this one. 2 or 3 person go run go meet the girl instantly. Person wey you no know whether really dey kolo, you no know wetin e get. I know say some people dey do am, go say wetin dey happen. I know, but as for me, person wey come dey film, na that one na make me come suspect well say maybe dem dey do the film. But na real wetin dey happen, maybe na im dem dey show people say you people should be careful because of all these big people, all these big car, because you no know who dey inside, you no know as e take see money, you no know as e take, then dey happen, e dey happen. Dem say dem just the girl just come out for inside that car, just start to dey kolo, e start to dey throway the things. So may God help us out. Thank you, one love, bye bye. I just say, I just see drop this one for una, bye bye.